What if you were a FIFA World Cup player? Watch me turn a normal selfie into this in under 2 minutes. I'm not joking. Anyone can do this. For free. No Photoshop, no design skills, nothing. Just one photo and the right AI prompt. Let's go. The tool we're using? ChatGPT Image 2. It's free, it's insane, and it's about to make you look like you belong on a FIFA poster. Today, I'm showing you 5 different World Cup looks: a hero shot, a trophy lift, the tunnel entrance, a Panini trading card, and a full magazine cover, starting with the most fire one first. Now, before we start, I'm not going to make you pause the video and copy these prompts off your screen. I've uploaded all of them to my prompt library. Here's what you do. Google toolbly, Toolbly. Click the first result. Go to the search bar on the website. Type FIFA World Cup prompts. Every single prompt from this video is right there, ready to copy in one click. Completely free, no sign up needed. Bookmark it now. Thank me later. Okay. Prompt number 1. The official FIFA hero shot. This is the kind of image you see on World Cup posters and stadium billboards. Upload your photo to ChatGPT. Go to toolbly.com, search FIFA World Cup prompts, copy prompt number 1, and paste it in. Hit generate and watch. Pause. Bro, look at that. That is literally you on a FIFA World Cup poster. The lighting, the jersey, the stadium behind you. This looks 100% real. Prompt number 2, and this one gave me chills. The World Cup trophy lift. You know that moment? When the captain raises the trophy, confetti everywhere, the whole stadium going crazy? That's you now. Go to Toolbly. Search FIFA World Cup prompts. Copy prompt 2, paste it in. Pause. Look at that confetti, the gold, the emotion on the face. This looks like a Getty Images World Cup final photograph. I can't believe this is free. Prompt number 3, my personal favorite, the tunnel walk. That iconic moment, walking alone through the dark tunnel, bright green pitch light at the end, the crowd roaring in the distance. Pure cinema. Toolbly.com, FIFA World Cup prompts. Prompt 3, paste and generate. Pause. Okay, I need a second. That silhouette, that light. This looks like a scene from a FIFA documentary on Netflix. The atmosphere on this one is unreal. Prompt number 4, and this one is going to break the internet if you post it. The Panini World Cup trading card. Gold foil border, holographic sheen. Your name at the bottom, your country, your position. Go to Toolbly, FIFA World Cup prompts. Prompt 4. But before you paste it, find where it says player name and replace it with your actual name. Now generate. Pause. That is a real card. The holographic border, the gradient, the typography. Send this to your friends and don't tell them it's AI, trust me. And the last one, prompt number 5. The sports magazine cover, ESPN 442, FIFA magazine. That level, your face, full action pose, bold red masthead at the top, pull quote on the side, complete magazine layout. Toolbly, FIFA World Cup prompts. Prompt 5, paste, generate, pause. I genuinely cannot believe this is free. That looks like it's on a newsstand right now at the airport. The typography, the action pose, the layout, everything. That's it. 5 FIFA World Cup AI images. Your face. Completely free. Go to toolbly.com, search FIFA World Cup prompts, and try all 5 right now. Then come back and drop your result in the comments. I genuinely want to see yours. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It takes 1 second and it means everything. And subscribe, because I post these AI tricks every single week. See you in the next one. Peace.